So this is something that comes up a lot. I see a lot of people online and clients that I see talk about how difficult sitting meditation can be for them, even though they want to pursue it, or maybe they want to get deeper in their practice, but they're having trouble, or maybe they just don't think they can meditate at all. They think they're the kind of person like, I can't sit still, I can't meditate, it just doesn't work for me. Well, let me tell you, I used to be like this. I used to feel like I could not sit still for 5 seconds. My mind was so busy. And over the past few years, I have learned so many wonderful techniques and tools to help calm my mind. But one of the main things that I've used truly is EFT tapping. So let me just tell you a little quick thing that you can do in order to just kind of jumpstart your meditation practice. Like jump right in and start doing it. First of all, don't think you have to sit on a meditation cushion for an entire hour. Om, still and quiet, right? But think of meditation as simply something that is where you focus your attention for as long as you can. So meditation, mindfulness, both these terms are they can have a similar meaning focusing one's attention or one's conscious mind on something. And this can be an object. This can be, if your eyes are closed, say, when you're meditating, this can be, you can focus on something in your mind. So you can focus on a blank space. You can create a visualization. But what's going to happen is when you start doing this, your mind is going to get really busy and you're going to have a lot of thoughts. And the thoughts are going to be pulling you to and fro, and you may feel anxious. You may feel like you need to get up and do something because the mind may tell you, oh, really, we need to get busy. We need to check those emails. We need to, tasks, clean the house or whatever it is. Or, oh, we've been doing this long enough now. It's time to move on. So what you can do before you even try to sit down and meditate or even lay back and meditate, if that's more comfortable for you, is do a little tapping to start to calm your mind before you try to meditate. So what you can do is something really simple, and you can do a setup statement on the side of the hand here, just like, even though my mind's really busy and I don't think I can meditate. And it's just as simple as that. Just use that setup statement. And even though my mind is so busy, or I feel apprehensive about meditating, I don't think I can do it. I don't know if I can sit still, right? So even though my mind is really busy and I don't think I can meditate, I'm willing to consider maybe I can. Even though my mind's really busy and I don't think I can meditate, but I want to, I accept that this is just where I am right now. Even though my mind is so busy, I never have been able to meditate. I don't think I ever will be able to, but I want to. I'm willing to consider maybe I just need a different method. Okay, so now we're just going to tap through and we're going to say the word release. And what we're doing is we're just giving a general direction to the mind to just release busyness. Okay, so let's just tap through all the points. Release, 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 release. I'm going under the arms now, release. And then we'll go back to the side of the hand. Let's do another setup statement. Even though I'm not sure I can release all these thoughts so that I can meditate, I'm willing to consider maybe I can meditate for just a few seconds. Maybe that would be okay. Even though I don't think I can release these thoughts and I don't think I can sit still, it makes me feel anxious, but I want to meditate. I choose to consider maybe meditating for just a few seconds and letting that be enough. Even though I don't think I can sit still long enough to do this, and I don't want to feel like a failure. I don't want to fail at meditating. That would suck. Fail at meditating? No, I don't want that. Maybe I'll change my story about what it means to succeed at meditating. Let's tap through. Maybe I don't need to succeed at this. Maybe I don't need to be good at this. Maybe I have a story I have to be good at meditating before I can do it. Yes, that's it. I have to learn more before I can meditate. I have to be better at it so I can succeed. I have to be good at meditation. It has to look a certain way. I have to sit for a long time, or I have to be really peaceful and still. I'm going under the arms now. Maybe it doesn't have to be that way. Maybe meditating can look different for everyone. Maybe all I need to do is sit for as long as I can and just be with my thoughts. Maybe I don't need to judge what meditation looks like or feels like for me. Maybe I'll stop comparing myself to others. I don't have to be the Dalai Lama or some monk in a cave meditating. It could just be me. If I can only sit for a few seconds, that's okay. But maybe if I do this every day, just for a few seconds, then eventually, maybe I can do a minute, and then maybe 5 minutes, and then maybe 10 minutes. And who knows after that? I am willing to let this process be my own and release all expectations around what it's supposed to look like or feel like and whether I succeed or not. All right, take a deep breath. Good. Okay, so there's some language for you. Hopefully that helped you out. You can just do a little tapping before you meditate just to get that out of your nervous system. I find that it's really helpful to do a quick tapping before I meditate. And sometimes I tap for a long time, and then I may even take a break and then go back and meditate later. So it doesn't have to be right one after the other. So just find your own way, do it how it works for you, and just give it a try. All you are going to lose is, not trying. So just jump in and tap and then try meditating for just a few seconds. I hope this helps you today. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.